This is a quick tutorial video made specifically for your human resources research in training and development. To start your research, you need to go to the Zayed University homepage and choose Library. From the library homepage, you can click on Find an Article and sort the databases by the College of Business. Business Source Complete is the database that we recommend for doing training and development research to conduct your literature review. So click on Business Source Complete. Off campus, you'll be required to log in on the Zayed University login page, and then you're at Business Source Complete. Your professor showed us an advanced search keyword terms that she wants you to use. Training and development. You can use some of the suggested terms. There's a lot of suggested terms. And optimism. There was another phrase that she used in class that was a good one. So depending on your keywords, depending on your research topic, you'll get different results for your literature review. I didn't use the same results that your professor did. We'll just do training and development and optimism. Okay, well, we got about 10 results. I think it was different today, but this is just an example of how to access the database, how to enter your keywords, how to find peer-reviewed journal articles. Click on the peer review button, so it just brings up actual academic journal articles. On the previous search, we had magazine articles. Personality traits and career satisfaction. So here's some different research that would be good for a literature review. 2002 is a little bit older, but you know, this is just an example search. You can get the PDF full text, and you can get the APA citation, which is the basic start for getting your literature review in order. For this class, there is also a research guide. The address is zu.libguides.com/HRM452. And this is a link to Business Source Complete. And this is the keyword search example that your professor had us do today. If you need any additional information about citing your sources, if you want to make an appointment with me, I'm your liaison, you can click on that link or join us in the chat and ask any of the librarians a question. From the library homepage, we also have a chat box available. So you can ask us questions from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday through Thursday, or you can make an appointment with a librarian to meet on a Zoom meeting. So if you need anything else, please get in touch.